you have some talent and skill, but you don't know what you're doing. You need to go to the Trial Lawyers College and learn why you want to employ these techniques and actually learn some new things. Well, hello again, it's Rafe Foreman. I hope each of you are healthy and happy and well adjusted in your career and your life. And let me tell you about something that helped me attain those lofty goals that I just mentioned. In 2002, I went to the Trial Lawyers College after having practiced law at that point for about 16 years. And I was referred to the Trial Lawyers College by a good friend of mine. And he told me, he said, you have some talent and skill, but you don't know what you're doing. You need to go to the Trial Lawyers College and learn why you want to employ these techniques and actually learn some new things. His name was Charlie Webb, and he and I were co-counsel on a case. So I took it that he had personal knowledge of my failings. So I took his advice, I applied, and wow, did my eyes ever open. Now I know what you're saying. You're thinking, I can't afford to go to a Trial Lawyers College for 3 weeks. My practice can't be without me for that long. Let me tell you, that's exactly what I thought when I applied. But let me tell you what I think now. Now I don't know how I ever made it without going. You know, the 3 weeks that you spend there are going to be 21 to 24 days of the best investment in your career that you've ever spent. Well, why is that? Because the premise of the Trial Lawyers College is it all begins with you. And if you want to be a better lawyer, you need to learn to be a better person. If you want to be a better leader in your community, you need to learn to be a better listener. If you want to be a better father, parent, sibling, friend, you need to work on yourself. Because if you work on yourself, then it emotes and it establishes these connections that you long to have. Well, how does the Trial Lawyers accomplish that? Trial Lawyers College utilizes what we call psychodrama, and I'm not here to explain to you what psychodrama is, but I will tell you that when I went to the Trial Lawyers College, I'd never heard the word before. And so you don't have to have experience in psychodrama before you can apply to the college. As a matter of fact, it was helpful for me that I knew nothing about the Trial Lawyers College programs or curriculum before I attended this class, because I was just like an open book. Instead of trying to cling to my bad habits or my erroneous ways, I was just an open book and listened to what the instructors had to offer. And let me just tell you, you hear this repeatedly, and I'm not going to say it because everybody you talk to that goes to the Trial Lawyers College says that it changed their life. Well, that's a pretty big, tall order to say that it changed your life. But the reason I believe that people say that it changed their life is because it helped them access things that they had shelved away. It helped them gain access to part of their psychological makeup that they had shoved down, forgotten about, or put aside. And the reason that that's important is because we all connect and relate to clients and jurors because of our common experiences.